YouTube, what is going down? Quick little video today. Got the channel on button here because installing a little bit of carbon fiber onto this bad boy. Hit up Motocomposite and got some carbon fiber frame covers for it to match the carbon fiber tank fairings, if you want to call it that. Gonna look really good. The finish on these is really nice, man. See if I can zoom in on this really quickly. Yeah, this thing is absolutely beautiful. And this thing, it probably has to get weighed in like ounces. That's how light it is. But we already got the left side of the bike all finished up. Gonna slap on the left side tank covers and see how it all looks with that as well too. And it is looking good, man. The child is gonna be looking real pretty, getting set up for the next bike meet as well too. But yeah, I know a lot of people were telling us you had to take off the left side fairing. I loosened this up a little bit and kind of snuck this one in. I don't know if the right side is going to be as easy, but we shall see. So bear with me and Laws, and we'll be right back. This thing is looking good though, man. I'm loving it. All right, got this right side put on right here. There's actually a bolt right here. On the other side of this is a bolt with a plastic piece that you have to unscrew. And I get in there, Laws, to show the people. Almost practically take off this entire fairing. There's this plastic piece right here. There's a bracket right here, right behind this bolt that holds this plastic piece in that you actually have to unscrew, put the cover on, and then put it back on. And I'm sorry I didn't get the chance to record that, but I was busy putting this thing on. But yeah, just be careful not to strip this screw inside of here, because that's where this plastic piece holds on. I think this is for like water or something like that that drips down. Make sure it drips down this way. I think so, I'm not sure. But yeah, just make sure you do not strip this bolt, because that is very important. You don't want to have to run out and get yourself another bolt. But yeah, moving along, man. You guys already know I'm gonna give you some nice pictures of this when it's all buttoned up. But ooh-wee! Looking good, looking real good. Also too, guys, we also had to take off this rear set here. Had to unbolt this so that you could actually fit like the stem piece of the frame cover on there as well too. So definitely have to do that as well too. But that's just two simple bolts right there. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, and it's looking great. Alright guys, there it is. The carbon fiber frame covers have now been installed. Definitely looks good, in my opinion. I'm sorry it's such a cloudy day. I tried to hurry up and get out here before the rain actually came, so I can give you guys a look-see of how it looks outside the garage. Definitely looks good. I absolutely love it. Next, I will be getting the subframe covers as well too, but I want to see how the actual frame covers look on a bike, and obviously they look excellent. Very happy with it. Of course, you know my boy Lars helped me with that install. Looking fantastico. But yeah, man, I want to do some more subtle touches to the bike. I definitely want to start getting a little bit more carbon fiber on here. I'm definitely going to try to get the carbon fiber front tire hugger, or actually the front fender, I should say. I'll definitely will get the rear tire hugger as well too, and a couple of carbon fiber parts as well too, man. So yeah, I'm like I said before, I'm kind of done with the performance side of the bike for right now. So now I'm going to start doing some more little cosmetic things, and I'm also going to be working on some weight savings as well too. I'm definitely going to try to get a lightweight battery, whether it's the anti-gravity or some other companies that I saw out there. Save me 5 or 6 pounds. So yeah, man, I'm excited with this and how it looks. Definitely going to order some more parts and get that underway. And I'm also going to try to get some rims. Been looking at the OZ rims as well as the Coromoto. So if I can't get that in by the time I head out to the next big meet, I'll definitely get it afterwards. But yeah, guys, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on Instagram as well too, at MotoMac TV on Instagram. Also got some new clothes coming out as well too, some more apparel coming out. Got this new white hoodie, still testing out the look of it to see if I'm going to really put this into production or not. But yeah guys, until next time, I will see you guys on the next episode, people. Ride safe and peace out, man.